Hello and welcome to this video on amortization. We're going to cover an example in which we get to find the balance of a loan after a certain amount of time. To work with the example, we will use formulas that concern compound interest and annuities. So if you don't remember a lot about those topics, please review them and then come to watch the video again. Right? If you have questions, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video. We have that Richard received a loan of $49,000 from the bank at 3.25% compounded monthly. If they had to repay $400 at the end of every month, what will be the principal balance at the end of 4 years? And we need to round the answer off to the nearest cent. We have that this loan is in the form of an annuity, because remember that an annuity is a series of payments made at regular intervals for a period of time. The type of annuity we're working with is ordinary and simple because Richard is making payments at the end of every month, and because the compounding period and the payment period are the same. Now, the number of payments that Richard has made at the end of 4 years, by the end of 4 years, is 48. So we have n equals 48 because Richard is making 12 payments per year, because they are making one payment every month for 4 years. So we have that the total number of payments during the 4-year term is 48. Now, in this problem, we have that the nominal interest rate is 0.0325, the decimal corresponding to 3.25%. And based on that nominal interest rate, we can compute the periodic interest rate. We have that the periodic interest rate is given by the nominal interest rate divided by the compounding frequency, the number of compounding periods per year. And because interest is compounded monthly, we take 0.0325 and divided by 12. Now, to find the balance of the loan after 4 years, we're going to use a method called the retrospective method, in which we consider payments that have already been made. And the idea of the retrospective method is that the principal balance at the focal date, in this case, like after the 4 years, can be calculated by, so balance after 4 years can be calculated by doing the following. We deduct the future value of all payments that have been made until the focal date from the future value of the original loan amount on the focal date. So we take the future value of the original loan, that's after the 4 years, and subtract the future value of the payments made until the 4 years have passed. So let's write future value, then payment made until the focal date. Now, to find the future value of the original loan after 4 years, we use a formula for compound interest. We take 49,000 and multiply them by 1 plus I is 0.00 better, 0.0325 divided by 12 raised to the 48. That's the principal, that's the future value of the $49,000 on the focal date. And we subtract, and the future value of payments made until the focal date is computed by using annuities. And because we're working with an ordinary simple annuity, we use the formula PMT times the amount of the periodic payment of the annuity, in this case 400, times, and then we have 1 plus I. So it's 1 plus I, in this case I is 0.0325 divided by 12 raised to the 48, the N value, the total number of payments during the term of the annuity. Take away 1 divided by the periodic interest rate. So we have 0.0325 divided by 12. Okay, so the balance of the loan after 4 years is given by that subtraction. And then we use a calculator to compute that subtraction, and we get the value approximately equal to $35,318.46. So the principal balance at the end of 4 years is about $35,318.46. All right, and that's the end of this problem. So to summarize what we did, we interpreted the loan as an ordinary simple annuity. Then we computed the balance of the loan using the retrospective method. And then in computing that balance, we got to use compound interest and annuities. We took the future value of the original loan after 4 years and subtracted the future value of the payments made until the focal date. And we got the answer that can be rounded off to $35,318.46. Right, if you have questions, please write a comment or contact me, and we figure it out together. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.